Let's briefly understand what a VPN is. A VPN is a virtual private network. In simple terms, if you ever feel like the internet snoops, hackers, and the bad guys are watching your every move when you go on browsing the internet, flipping the social media pages, checking your bank balance, and it goes on and on, then a VPN is the best friend here to kick the bad guys away from monitoring your activities on your device, stealing, hacking, and possibly emptying your banks. So how does it do this? Well, it creates a secure encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet, protecting your privacy and boosting your online security. So in this case, a VPN must be in the position to, number one, provide you privacy. A VPN hides your IP address, which is like your online fingerprint. Yes. So this makes it much harder for websites, advertisers, and even your internet service providers to track your browsing activity. A good VPN should be your security shield. VPNs encrypt your data, scrambling it like just a secret code. It makes it nearly impossible for hackers or snoops to steal your personal information, especially when you are using a public Wi-Fi network. Okay, right. And number three, benefits of using a VPN. VPN grants you geo access. VPNs can virtually transport you to another location by masking your real location. So this lets you access websites or streaming services that might be restricted in your area. So if you're in a country or you're in a particular area where you are blocked from accessing certain content from the internet, then you might prefer to use a VPN to bypass that restriction. Okay, all right, so let me know in the comments what features are important to you in the VPN, and if you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and stay safe, and see you very soon again, and goodbye.